Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Guys, in today's video, we are gonna share with you most delicious vegetarian, Korean, healthy recipe. It is mushroom stir fry recipe, guys. In these days on the lockdown, we are all tired of the lockdown, but since we are indoors, we have to feed ourselves with healthy food. That's very important because when you're at home, it's very easy to gain weight. For that reason, guys, 3 days we are gonna be locked down in our homes in these days. And for these days, I have this special recipe for you. It is very easy and it's very delicious. It's yum yum, guys. So guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. Guys, for this beautiful recipe, we are gonna need vegetable oil. In total, I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. Soya sauce, 2 tablespoons. Sesame seeds, I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. 300 grams of mushrooms. 3 pieces of green onion. 2 pieces of carrot. And we are gonna need salt and black pepper, guys. That's it. Let's do it. So guys, I have prepared the ingredients. So basically, we cut the mushroom in thin slices. We've cut carrots as matchsticks, and we've cut green onion also as matchsticks. Then guys, the first thing to start here is that we are gonna start with soya sauce. We are gonna add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce to our mushrooms. Then we are gonna mix salt and black pepper. We are gonna add it to our mushrooms. Mix it. Then guys, we are gonna add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed. And what I need here is I want the sesame seeds to be crushed. So then I add in a plate and then start crushing it. The crushing process, guys, we are gonna add it to our mushroom. And we are gonna mix them, guys. I have mixed our mushrooms with soya sauce, black pepper, salt, and crushed sesame seeds. Now we are gonna leave it to marinate for 5 minutes, guys. Then cook. So guys, let's start cooking. We are gonna open the fire on the highest level, guys. Then we are gonna use 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Wait until the oil gets hot. It's time to add our marinated mushrooms. And we let it cook. The reason we add our mushrooms with the soya sauce because we want the taste of soya sauce to soak into the mushrooms. When it starts boiling, we are gonna add our chopped like matchsticks carrots, and we fry them together. Guys, it has been approximately 5 minutes. I waited until the carrots are soft and ready to eat, so it's time to close now. Then guys, we are gonna add our fresh onions, chopped like matchsticks, all of them. And then we mix them. If you don't like green onions, you can replace it with other greens, chives or parsley, anything that you want. Ah, smells so good. Yummy, yummy, guys. Voila, guys. Bon appetit. Guys, thank you for watching our video. These days, I'm wishing you to all of you stay healthy and stay safe. And while you are staying at home, guys, try to eat much more healthier food than you usually do, because while we are at home, we have to really care for our health. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have a nice evening, guys. Much love to you all. Bye bye, guys.